Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to participate in an ICO. So let's get going. So I've had a couple of requests from some of my viewers to show the process of signing up for an ICO. So I'm just going to go ahead and do, there's a site that's available right now for a pre-sale event. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to sign up for that. I'm going to show you how to buy a few of their pre-sale tokens, and then we'll end the video. And when the sale becomes final and they issue the tokens, then I will continue the video series and show you how to transfer the ERC20 tokens into the wallet of your choice. And I'm most likely going to do the Ledger Nano S. So, I'm going to show you how to do the pre-sale today. So let's get going. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for Sphere, which is an upcoming ICO, and they have a pre-sale event. One of my users suggested this. I don't know a whole lot about it, but the sign up is free, so we got nothing to lose here. I am going to show you a little bit how to transfer some tokens after I show you the sign up. So yes, I have invested a little bit in this. Just out of curiosity's sake and for demonstration purposes sake, and also in the hopes that it might give me some kind of return. But I just want you to know that I'm just sort of arbitrarily showing you this one because it was suggested by one of my viewers, and it makes a good example. I'm not telling you to run out and invest in this company. I'm just giving this video as a demonstration. So, without further ado, let's get going. So, we go to the Sphere social website, and I've got that link down in the description of this video, and we just do sign up. And so all we need to do is provide a valid email address. And I'm going to use the old CryptoDad email address. And then they want us to give a good password. Okay, and then we just click this little CAPTCHA down here. Confirm that we're not a robot, and sign up for the pre-sale. Okay, and I'll go ahead and save the password for this guy here. After we've signed up for the pre-sale, we just need to verify the email that they just sent us. So let's check that. There we go. So they sent us an email. You'll notice that I'm checking my email in the same browser, just on a different tab. I do this just to make sure that it's gonna mesh with their systems. If I check this on my phone, I don't know that it's gonna, because sometimes when you click the confirmation link, it loads the page. So if you do it from your phone, you might have to re-sign in. So anyway, whenever I'm doing these signups, I usually just open a separate tab on my browser. And there we go. They're going to give me 50 tokens if I confirm this email. And you'll see that it just opens another tab. And then I've successfully confirmed the email address. And they want me to hit this button to log in. And in this case, we're going to choose sign in, and we'll use the email that we just created, the CryptoDad email. And I'll use the password that I created for the CryptoDad email. If you're not using Chrome, just retype the email that you used when you signed up. We're just going to click this little CAPTCHA again and click pre-sale wallet sign in, and boom, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, I've signed in successfully here. I've got my CryptoDad at Gmail, and they've given me 50 of their SAT tokens. I believe they It stands for Social Activity Token. It's kind of a new thing, but when they do their ICO, they're going to issue tokens, and my thinking is that there'll be ERC20 tokens, and then we can move forward from there, and get this thing rolling. So I want to get everybody signed up for this, and my suggestion is, just sign up for the wallet and see what happens when you get your 50 tokens during the ICO sale. Now, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase a few of these pre-sale tokens. But like I said, at no cost to you, if you want to follow along in this video, all you have to do is sign up for this free wallet, and they're going to give you 50 tokens, and then you can continue to follow along in my video series on this, and you will have some tokens to transfer into the Ledger Nano down the road. So I don't want anyone to think that you have to invest any money in this unless you want to, because you're perfectly willing, or you're perfectly fine just using these free 50 tokens to follow along as an exercise. And that will give you some confidence in dealing with ICOs and ERC tokens. So there you go, guys, and I hope you follow along with the next video. Okay, so now that we've managed to sign up for this thing, I'm going to show you how to buy a few extra tokens just as an exercise. So if we click that link here, they've got a lot of options here for us. I'm not going to buy $128,000 worth of tokens. I'm not going to buy $2,000 worth of tokens. I'm just going to buy the minimum amount. Alright, so anyway. Okay, so it's telling me that I don't have the minimum. Okay. Let's try this. Update card. Okay, so that's 10. Alright, so let's try 100 here and see what happens. Alright, that's 5. Alright, let's, okay, so let's try 1,000 and see what we get. Alright, so we just need 2,000, I'm expecting. 2,000. Oh, okay, yeah, they told us that, right? Alright, so if we want, if we buy 2,000 tokens of our SAT token, then 2,000 is the magic number here. Okay. The interface was a bit clunky, but I think because we were buying that minimum, it was a little tricky. I think if we had bought one of their higher set amounts, we wouldn't have had to have gone through all this. It would have just been auto-filled for us. So anyway, I've managed to bring it up to the minimum, which is $100. Proceed to checkout. Okay, so there's my email, and so now that we've got to the checkout, it's offering us the different ways to purchase the tokens, and we can use Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or Litecoin. So if you've got Bitcoin laying around, that's one way to do it. Today I'm going to use Litecoin. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to choose Litecoin, and then we will click place order. Alright, and so basically it generates a Litecoin address for me, and it tells me the exact amount of Litecoin that I need to send to them to make this purchase. So if you have some Litecoin in a wallet or an exchange, then you can send it to this address to complete your purchase. I don't have any Litecoin in my wallet at this time, and I don't have any Litecoin in my Coinbase or my GDAX account, but I can convert from an exchange. I have some crypto laying around on an exchange, and what I'm going to do is convert that cryptocurrency into Litecoin, and then from the exchange we'll do a withdrawal from our Litecoin wallet and transfer it over here. So what we need to do is get some Litecoin. Okay, so let's take a look at our funds here. Okay, I bought some yesterday, so I have a small amount of Litecoin laying around, but I need to get more. So if we look over here, I need 0.59. So what I need to do is I need to purchase some more Litecoin so I have enough, and I'm going to use the Ethereum that I have laying around. And so we go over here to exchange, and I'm going to choose Litecoin, which actually is already there. If it's not, you just hit LTC up here, and you can see there's a Litecoin ETH exchange. Now you could do it with Bitcoin too if you had Bitcoin in your exchange account, but in my case I've got some Ethereum. This BNB is their Binance token, and this USDT is the Tether, but I don't use either of those, but I would encourage you to use Bitcoin or Ethereum. Alright, so we get here to the Litecoin exchange, and it tells me I have a little bit of ETH available to make this Litecoin purchase, and I need, let's check this out, I need 0.59, so I'm gonna buy a little extra just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna buy okay, I can get 0.6. I'm gonna buy 0.7 just to be on the safe side of that. So we're gonna buy the Litecoin now. Okay, so we succeeded in buying our Litecoin. Okay, so the order has gone through now, and I have the Litecoin that I need to make my purchase. Okay, so now that I have Litecoin in my Binance wallet, I can do a withdrawal, and I need to give it a Litecoin address. And so here we go. Here's our Litecoin address, and we just put that in here, and I need to send them exactly 0.59, so we want to be careful here. Okay, so if I do 0.59 exactly, I'm only gonna actually send 0.58. Which I need more than that. I need to send out 0.59. So you'll notice the transaction fee subtracts. So we need to account for the transaction fee. We'll do 0.6. Oops. Let's do 0.6. Okay, and now with 0.6 as our amount, it's going to, it says you will get, that's me, the one that I'm sending it to. I'm going to get 0.59, which is what I need to get to complete the purchase here. So we'll do that, and we'll click submit. And it wants my Google authentication code, which it should. So we'll put that guy in here. Click submit. Once Binance tries to send out some cryptocurrency from the account, it wants me to verify the purchase with an email confirmation. So we'll go back over here to our tab, check it out. Okay, there's the Sphere thanking us for joining, and here's our request for withdrawal to the Litecoin address. So we're going to click that, and it wants us to check out the deposit and withdrawal page. And you can see that our 0.59 has gone out to this address, which is the same. It starts with a 3 and ends with an R. That's good. And now all we have to do is wait a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see, my 5.9 is in there as unconfirmed. So it should just be a few more minutes until it confirms, and then we'll have completed this purchase. Okay, so there we go. It's been received and confirmed, and so now I have, and I got an email alert, and so now we can just go back to our home here and check it out and see that I have a high balance. So that's it. So basically, let me run down what we did. We signed up for a free account. We got 50 tokens, and you're more than welcome to use those 50 tokens and follow along with me in this series as this new company goes to its ICO and actually issues tokens. If you wanted to join in a little bit and invest a little money, I showed you how to purchase some coins using Litecoin. Keep in mind that the way that I did it was from an exchange. You may have had some Litecoin in a wallet. You may have had some Litecoin in a different exchange like Coinbase or GDAX. The process is very similar. All you need is the address that you send to that they give you, and that's the sending address that you would paste into the to field of whichever wallet interface you were using. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. I love it when people subscribe to my channel. I encourage you to do so. And if you'd like to be alerted whenever I post a video, there's a little bell right next to the subscribe button. Just click that and it'll give you an alert whenever I post a new video. Hope to see you guys again, and please join me in this continuing series. When the ICO goes live, I'm going to do another video where I show you how to take those ERC tokens that are issued and store them in a wallet. I'm going to take it from beginning to end. So I encourage you to keep an eye on the channel, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.